Okay, today is March 15th. It's a very happy day. Number one, it's the last day of spring break in Texas. And William Liang has been using this wonderful springtime to visit college. He's a ninth grader. James. Okay, his brother William actually make me very happy because he visits me from UT Austin for spring break homecoming. His brother has been working with me since he was 7 or 8 years old, and he turned out to be a very strong young man. And over the years, we studied together. But his experience can inspire James to be better. He can emulate him and be better than William Liang. Yes or no, right?
Yes.
Therefore, one of the effort, he's a wonderful parents work with me. We design a program to help James, give him inspiration. Therefore, they visit 11 universities. Most impressive, he's going to present to us is 3 universities gave him a strong impression, which namely Harvard. What else?
MIT.
Okay, engineer program is one of the best. And the New York University. I'm very familiar with these 3 universities, and I hope James will break the record to go to either MIT or Harvard. We work together. Go ahead, present to us. Inspire us.
Harvard gave me in the curiosity of help. At Harvard, I went on a tour, and in Harvard, I was not interested in it because I was always told that Harvard was the hardest university to get to. When I went on the tour, I was more curious about if I was able to make it in there. During the tour, they told me about the John Harvard statue, which was the reason why Harvard was named Harvard, except most people think the John Harvard statue, the person, John Harvard, was the person who created Harvard University, but the tour guide told us that no, the university was just named after him, John Harvard. He also told us about the Windermere Library, the largest library ever, with over 3.5 million books and about 60 floors. A lot are underground because, well, they did not have room to build up really high. And they also showed me their museums. Me and my parents were mostly interested on the 3rd floor of the museum, which showed us a bunch of ancient extinct creatures like dinosaurs and extinct birds, and as well as different types of plants. Then there is NYU, New York University. The tour guide showed us a huge building, which was also a library, kind of like the Windermere Library from Harvard, except in this library, it was made for people who are trying to study in a quiet place, allowing them to study more efficiently. And in this library, every single weekend, they would throw a party there to get people to know each other more. In NYU, they said that anyone who wanted to stay in the dorms for more than 1 year can, as long as they have enough room, meaning that you could stay there for maybe even 4 years, which got my attention because usually I was told that the dorms were only allowed students to stay for 1 year. And so I asked my parents about this, and they said that they suggested me to do an apartment because they wanted me to have more experience in taking care of myself instead of just living in a dorm. And so I took that uh and thought of it, and say if I go to NYU, I should still go into an apartment, taking my parents' advice. It could be like practice for me for when I grow up into an adult. For MIT, they told us that if we are going there, they wouldn't focus just on our grades. They would mainly focus on our ability to contribute to the evolution of human technology, as they want us to help us. They wanted us to help them evolve human machines and tech. Like, for example, when I went to their lab, I saw people making a bunch of cool machines. One was a helmet that transmitted light around their area. Another was an iron glove that transmitted light towards the direction you were pointing at, and many others. In MIT, they wish to help others to improve our lives in the world, which is the reason why I am mostly interested in MIT. I wish to help others and improve our surroundings. Thank you for listening, everyone.